official unveiling of the 8th generation Toyota Hilux is approaching, and the company's YouTube channel for Thailand has released a teaser video. Of course, we already know what to expect, since the 2016 model was leaked recently, but the announcement that the presentation will take place on May 21 is big news. 2 new diesel engines were also revealed. Belonging to the GD generation, they replace the KD ones that have been around since 2005. Later this year, both will also become available on the SW4, an SUV based on the Hilux, and Hiace, a 7-seater minivan also known as the Innova. The GD engines have direct common rail injection, turbocharger and an intercooler. They have a technology called economy with superior thermal efficient combustion, ESTEC, which promises to reduce consumption and improve acceleration. Here are their official specs. 2GD 2.4, 2,395 cubic centimeters displacement, 160 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. It is combined with a 5-speed manual gearbox. It replaces the current 2KD, FTV 2.5-liter making 120 HP and 325 Nm. 1GD 2.8, it has 2,795 cubic centimeters displacement, 177 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque, with 5-speed manual transmission, or 450 Nm, with 6-speed automatic. It will replace the current 1KD, FTV 3.0-liter that delivers 171 HP and 343 Nm. In the cosmetics department, the new pickup truck will get LED accents, beefier fenders, new alloy wheels, chrome door handles and mirror caps. Like the T6 Transporter, it's not an all-new model as much as a major refresh.